Cybersecurity must be intertwined with our everyday lives to protect our data. Most of our lives are controlled by systems. Almost all systems operate digitally through interconnections of computer networks and other devices worldwide. As a result, the functionality of these vital systems, like communications, transportation, medical, water and power, food supply chains, financial markets and vendors, are all subject to attacks. Even how we educate ourselves and our children is at risk without cybersecurity. Simply put, life as we know it would be impossible without cybersecurity. It is what protects the digital interests of people, households, businesses, cities, and nations. In all, an appropriate measure of security must be applied. Our goal is to be cyber resilient. Cyber resilience is defined as a continuity strategy to protect the IT ecosystem we operate. Cyber resilience includes everything from the awareness of phishing scams, the prevention of digital identity theft, and more complex methodologies that defend against large-scale data breaches and cyber warfare worldwide.